Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, "Dream is not what see in your sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep." Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am standing here to talk to something about very close to my heart, my dream. Dreams are not just wishes, they are driving force of life. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, "Dream is not what see in your sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep." So what is my dream? Actually, my dream is to become a teacher. Some people dreams to be doctors, engineers, but I believe that teachers are the makers of all professions. Without teacher, there would be no doctors, no engineers, and no leaders. Teacher is like a candle, burning itself but giving light to others. And I want to be that a candle. Why do I want to be a teacher? Because I believe education is the strongest weapon to change the world. I want to teach not only from book, but also about life. I want to inspire my students to be confident, kind, and honest. A good teacher does not only for teach lesson, but also build character, shape dreams, and create leaders for tomorrow. Friends, every dream faces challenges. Sometimes people may laugh at your dream. Sometimes life will test you. But I have faith. I know if I work hard and stay patient, never give up, one day my dream will be turned into reality. Let me ask you a question. What is life without a dream? I say, it is like a garden without flowers or a night without stars. Dreams gives us hope, power and courage. That's why I always tell myself, dream big, work hard and success will flow. Finally, my dream is not only for me. It is also about building a better future for others. Because when you educate one student, you can change an entire generation. And I want to be part of that change. Thank you so much for listening to my speech. And remember, never stop dreaming. Because dreams are the seeds of success. Everyone say with me. Everyone say with me. Dreams are the seeds of success. Thank you so much.